Whenever dogs meet up with their favorite human, laughs will come up unstoppably. Bro's better than me at defending. As a family member, Golden Boy won't miss the chance to join in the game night. In a house where there's no cat, dog will be your reliable guard.
Give it, Luna! Alright, drop! Good girl.
Dog's backflip needs a little more flip. Be careful, he may bite. Oh, he doesn't. Love is.
Edson e sua ajudante.
Everyone loves summer, even this puppy.
Aí, ó. Dá uma olhada. Ó. Ela acha que tá fazendo pra ela. É.
There are two types of taking a stroll with a dog. Waiting for your dog to cooperate could be the most time-wasted idea you can think of.
Я не могу, девочки, у меня стресс.
The tattoo parlor today welcomes a special guest.
Все, я не могу. Не надо что-то.
Seems that the receptionist of this house isn't so friendly. This is probably not his first time. A huge part about life is spreading love. These pups have been taught that ideal in such a gentle way.
Chewy!
This is a photo.
Chewy, let me see!
With those moves, Boy still has a long way to go.
Come here.
What a smart way to save time while playing golf. Passengers look fine. Let's get going.
¡Te mamó!
Get off my bed, Mom. You should know that it's impolite to annoy a man resting.
Meu serviço está me matando.
Oh my god.
This homemade circus is so worth watching. His way of avoiding the conversation makes him even more suspicious. Every kid who has a dog sharing a beautiful childhood is so lucky. This dog actually knows how to joke. Wonder who he learns that from. With a rider on the road, there is cool vibes only. When you take him out, all that he wants to do is find a place to sleep.
Is it alright? Alright. Maybe we'll go. No. No. I don't think so, bud. My day's not over yet.
This dog never leaves his supporting role for his princess. Their love is so adorable. You can't catch me. Oops, you think you can, but you don't. It's time to say goodbye as the show has come to an end. Have these moments made you laugh? Tell us in the comments.